Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2016 Mercedes-AMG GTS, dressed exclusively in the Signal Magno Iridium Silver matte finish. The Mercedes-AMG GTS is a two-door, two-seat Grand Tour Coupe produced by Mercedes-AMG of Germany. The AMG GT exterior design was kept similar to that of the predecessing SLS AMG. It featured the wide wheel arches and lower bodywork of the SLS, but does not employ its gull-wing door. The interior features a large center console and decorative element in a leather and carbon polymer design, which give the AMG GTS a very unique and impressive cockpit design. The GTS uses a front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout with the engine inside the vehicle's wheelbase. The vehicle structure is made up of 93% aluminum with the front module base made up of magnesium. The car is powered by a brand new engine made by Mercedes-AMG, which features a front mid-mounted 4-liter bi-turbo V8 engine. This new V8 is in a hot inside V configuration with exhaust and turbocharger inside the cylinder banks to reduce turbo lag and uses dry sump lubrication. The power is sent to the rear wheel through a transaxle 7-speed AMG speed shift dual clutch transmission. The 4-liter bi-turbo V8 engine in the AMG GTS is even more responsive. With 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, it can hit from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds according to Mercedes. Better yet, in a recent road test executed by Car and Driver, the AMG GTS managed to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and ran the quarter mile in just 11.2 seconds. Now let's take a look at the sticker here. So the base AMG GTS starts at $129,900. This model comes with a $3,950 Signal silver matte paint option, black nappa red seats for $1,200, and a whole list of options below. Total of $26,085 in options, not including destination and handling. Now you can pause the video and take a closer look if you like. Up front, the first thing that will catch your attention is the pair of active full LED headlight with integrated LED daytime running lamp as well as LED turn signal lamp. In the middle, you can see the AMG grille with Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle. Very aggressive looking front end. Now moving to the side, this particular model comes upgraded with 19-inch AMG cross-spoke fork wheels in black with 265/35 low-profile high-performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of ventilated cross-drill brake discs with the huge brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake calipers are painted in red with AMG lettering on it. And here's the specific AMG GTS fender with V8 bi-turbo on it. Gloss black side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. On top you can see the fixed panoramic sunroof. Now rear wheels are also 19 inches and are stacked in both width and diameter to optimize every element of handling. Behind the rear wheel is also the ventilated cross-drill brake disc and the brake caliper painted in red with AMG lettering on it as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, adaptive braking technology, as well as brake assist. I really like the wheel design on this model. To the back, the first thing you'll notice is the full LED tail light with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED technology also illuminates the brake lamp more quickly, offering driver behind you more time to react, which can make a critical difference in a panic stop. Very stylish looking tail light. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that frames the dual trapezoidal exhaust tube. Rear deflector and parking sensor are also integrated into the rear bumper. Rear view camera is located right above the license plate. And here's the automatically deploying rear spoiler. And I'll show you how it looks retract. Very sporty looking back. And there's the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote I have the panic, lock, unlock, as well as trunk release. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. And as you can see, the side view mirror will automatically fold once the vehicle is locked. And to unlock, just place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And once again, side view mirror will automatically unfold. The exterior color is known as iridium silver metallic, finished in matte, featuring full black exclusive nappa lid interior with red contrast stitching, as well as silver aluminum trims and carbon fiber trims throughout. Very sporty looking interior. Okay, now let's jump into the driver's seat. So to start the vehicle, you can either press the start and stop button or insert the key into the key ignition located inside the center console and turn it twice to start. So I'm going to walk outside and show you guys the exhaust note from the outside. We're going to start it up in normal mode and then rev it up in normal, and after a while we're going to rev it up in sport plus mode. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 AMG DTS have to offer. Under the hood, the AMG DTS is equipped with 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with 7-speed AMG speed shift, dual clutch transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, rear-wheel drive with eco start and stop system. It also comes with forked dual wishbone suspension for both the front and the rear. The AMG GTS is pushing out 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds according to Mercedes. Top track speed is electronically limited at 193 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 16 city, 22 highway, and 18 combined. Very impressive engine. The 2015 Jaguar F-Type R is intensity. It provides more and delivers the ultimate expression of the F-Type, the most powerful, the most dynamically capable, the most thrilling vehicle. Powerful, agile, and distinctive, the F-Type is a true Jaguar sports car engineered for high performance and responsive handling. The latest in a distinguished bloodline of cars, supercharged engine, lightweight aluminum body construction, and advanced driving technologies deliver an experience that is intuitive, instinctive, and alive. The all-new F-Type has a lightweight aluminum body structure with high torsional rigidity, making it the ideal platform for a sport car. This strong, rigid structure provides an inherently stable platform for precise, agile handling and is the perfect complement to the high-performance engine range. The result is exceptional power to weight and torque to weight ratio. The real world measure is sports car performance. The F-Type roars right from its heart. Its sport exhaust growls powerfully from startup, building to a race car inspire crescendo. An active sport exhaust uses active bypass valve to allow exhaust gases to exit more directly for a deep, dramatic sound. A switchable active exhaust for manual control of the system is standard on the all model. The F-Type uses quick-shift ZF automatic transmission that is both lightning fast and superbly refined. Using 8 closely spaced gears, the transmission keeps the engine in its most effective operating range to deliver optimum power and torque at all speeds. A selectable dynamic mode adds adrenaline to your drive by modifying the throttle response and shift programming to further emphasize the car's sporting nature. Sounds exciting, isn't it? This particular model comes with the Vision package, which include the adaptive and intelligent front lighting headlamps with LED daytime running lamps. Looks really nice. The Vision package adds a number of visibility and driver assist features to the F-Type. It includes adaptive front lighting, intelligent high beams, front sensors and rear parking camera, combined with a reverse park camera, reverse traffic detection, and a blind spot monitoring system. Adds to that the very unique and aerodynamic front bumper. Looks really nice. And the specific F-Type R couped grille. High-intensity retractable headlight washer are also built into the front bumper. There is the hood air extractor for air to pass through. At the same time, it makes the F-Type looks very aggressive and stands out compared to other sports cars. This particular model comes standard with the 20-inch Gyrodine silver alloy wheels with Pirelli tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated disc brake with Jaguar Super Performance braking system with red painted brake calipers for faster stopping, as well as Jaguar lettering painted on the brake calipers. Here's the look at the fender. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Now this model also comes equipped with the optional panoramic glass roof, which gives the passenger a very open feel while driving. Beautiful. Alright, the rear also comes with 20-inch wheel with Pirelli tires, as well as the internally ventilated disc brake and the red painted brake calipers. Alright, to the back, you see the beautiful LED tail lamps, LED brake lamps, and LED turn signal lamp. Looks really nice. And here's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. There you go. At the bottom is the aggressive black rear diffuser that frames the quad round chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. The all-new F-Type R Coupe features a power tailgate. For ease of access and added convenience, the tailgate can be opened or closed at the touch of a button with the optional power function. Alright, here you have your roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Alright, here I have the remote control. Looks and feel really nice. Here you have the lock, unlock, light, trunk open, and panic buttons. Alright, let's open it up and check out the interior. Alright, once you hit the unlock button on the remote control, the door handle will automatically retract so you could open the door. And once it is locked, it will blend evenly to the body of the car. Okay, the exterior color is known as Polaris White, featuring black and red leather interior seat with red contrast stitching on it, black on the dash as well as door panel, and red contrast stitching throughout the car. Looks really nice. Also comes with the red seat belt. Alright, let's get into the car, start it up, and see how it sounds. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what it have to offer. The 2015 F-Type R Coupe features a 5-liter V8 supercharged engine, 8-speed quick-shift transmission, pushing out 550 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 502 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 to 5,500 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 4 seconds. That's even faster than the Audi R8. Fuel tanks hold approximately 18.5 gallons of fuel. EPA estimated fuel economy is 16 city, 23 highway, and 18 combined. Top track speed is electronically limited at 186 miles per hour in the US. Very impressive. Alright, let's shut it down. And now let's turn on the engine and listen to the exhaust sound. Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2015 Porsche 911 Turbo, finished in GT Silver Metallic. The Porsche 911 is the flagship of the current lineup for Porsche. It is a two-door high-performance sport car made by Porsche AG of Germany. It has a distinctive design with a rear engine and independent rear suspension, combined with the 3.8-liter 6-cylinder boxer engine, which is made with a lightweight metal design. The engine's low weight-to-power ratio increases agility and lower consumption. It boasts an impressive amount of horsepower, 520 horsepower to be exact, and 487 pound-feet of torque, which in turn gives the Porsche 911 Turbo a very fast 0 to 60 times of only 3.2 seconds. The Porsche Active Aerodynamic System enhances both everyday practicality and performance, a contradiction that has been resolved by the flexible setting of the front spoiler and rear wing, resulting in better road clearance at the front, greater stability, lower fuel consumption on the road, and impressive time on the racetrack. There can be no doubt about the origin of the 911 Turbo. In its form, proportions, and line, it is clearly a Porsche. The wings are higher than the front lid. The 28 extra millimeter at the back compared to the previous generation are designed to look especially powerful. Height and overhangs have been reduced, while the wheelbase is 100 mm longer, improving stability and stretching the roofline. The 911 Turbo model looks more powerful and even more sporty. The 911 Turbo models are equipped as standard with bi-xenon headlights, including a headlight cleaning system and dynamic range control for an even illumination of the road ahead, and also the Porsche dynamic light system. The dynamic cornering light function swivels the main headlight toward the inside of a bend for better visibility. LED daytime running lights, turn signal lights, as well as park assist are also integrated into the front bumper. There is the large imposing air intakes that feed vital air into the engine, intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. There is the cornering light. This particular model comes with the upgraded 20-inch 911 Turbo S fork alloy wheels with a slender and widespread design, two-tone finish with black base paint, and highly polished front face with 245/35 performance tire. Behind the wheel is the large ventilated cross-drill brake disc and a huge brake caliper painted in red for faster stopping. Porsche lettering are also printed on the caliper. Body color side view mirror. And here's a look to the top. Rear wheels are staggered in width with 305/30 performance tire. Behind the wheel is the large ventilated cross-drill brake disc and large brake caliper painted in red with Porsche lettering on it as well. It also features Porsche active suspension and stability management with anti-lock braking system, anti-slip regulation, as well as automatic brake differential. To the back, you see the striking LED taillight. Integrated into the taillight is the LED brake light, as well as the LED turn signal light. LED taillight illuminate quicker and brighter than traditional incandescent light bulbs to help alert driver behind quicker and help prevent possible accidents. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that frame the quad chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Rear deflector and park assist are also integrated into the rear bumper. There is the third LED brake light, as well as the retractable rear spoiler that helps create downforce at high speed and reduce drag. Very aggressive rear end. And a closer look at the engine cover with vent for air to pass through. Alright, here I have the remote. Very cool looking remote. On the remote I have the unlock, lock, and trunk release button, Porsche logo, and panic button in the back. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. Now the exterior color is known as GT Silver Metallic, featuring a full espresso leather interior with silver aluminum accenting trims all around. Very sporty interior. Okay, let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So just insert the key into the key ignition located on the left, turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Porsche 911 Turbo have to offer. So like I mentioned before, the 2015 Porsche 911 Turbo feature a rear engine which comes with a 3.8-liter twin-turbo horizontally opposed 6-cylinder aluminum engine, direct fuel injection, active all-wheel drive with 7-speed PDK transmission, pushing out 520 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 3.2 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 195 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 city, 24 highway, and 20 combined. Very impressive. The 2014 Audi R8 Coupe blends explosive performance and an exotic presence. An optional quick-shifting 7-speed Audi S-tronic transmission and Audi Quattro all-wheel drive deliver power to the road. And low-slung sport seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel give you that track-ready feeling every day. This is performance engineered to its fullest. The Audi R8 features legendary Audi Quattro all-wheel drive, like I mentioned earlier. Tailored specifically for its mid-engine configuration, Quattro provides an 85% rear torque bias, and when inclement weather or performance situation call for it, the system dynamically distributes power to the wheels that need it the most. This is confidence-inspiring handling. The Audi R8 also features the revolutionary ASF high-strength aluminum frame. The Audi Ultra lightweight technology weighs 40% less than a comparable steel structure, yet maintains the same rigidity. It reduces weight, improves responsiveness and agility. Up front, you quickly notice the lighting that stands out day or night, full LED headlight, as well as LED daytime running lights that give other drivers a heads up as they about to be passed. R8 blade design grille, which run across under both headlights. Looks really nice. And here's the Audi 4-rings logo. Park assist as well as high intensity headlight washer are also built into the front bumper. This particular model comes with 19-inch 5-arm double spoke design wheels with summer performance tires. Behind the wheel is the large ventilated disc brake with 6-piston brake calipers painted in black with R8 lettering on it for faster stopping. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Here is the side vent made of carbon fiber for air to pass through. Here's the R8 fuel cap with R8 lettering on it. To the back, you see the LED tail lamp, LED brake lamp, and LED turn signal lamp. Under each tail light is a 3-blade design rear grille to match with the front. Looks very aggressive. At the bottom, you see the dual round chrome tip exhaust built into the rear bumper. Very unique. Park assist are also built into the rear bumper. Rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. The back looks really nice. And here's the rear wing located on top of the trunk. It will retract once you get to a certain speed. And here's the beautiful V8 engine located on the back of the vehicle. Alright, let's check out the interior. The interior features full black leather seats with orange contrast stitching, as well as black on the dash and door panels with carbon fiber and aluminum trims all around. Looks very nice. Alright, let's start it up and see how it sounds. The R8 is powered by a 4.2-liter V8 engine mounted behind the passenger compartment, pushing out 430 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, all-wheel drive, 6-speed manual transmission with gated metal shifter and paddle shifter. Hit from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 11 city, 20 highway, and 14 combined. The BMW i8 was first introduced as the BMW concept car back in 2009 at the Frankfurt Motor Show and was also known as BMW Vision Efficient Dynamics. One of the most eye-catchy features of the i8 have to be the scissor doors that glide upward when open and blend perfectly when closed. The sporty character of the BMW i8 is immediately recognizable. Constructed from aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced plastic, the doors are 50% lighter than conventionally built counterparts. This lightness also makes them easy to open and close, with an ergonomically positioned handle on the inside door panel, also acting as the refined decorative touch. Now, standing in front of you is the production model, which is known as the BMW i8. It combines both the BMW twin-power turbo 3-cylinder engine, high-precision direct injections that pushes out 228 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, plus the eDrive electric motor that pushes out an additional 129 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Together, it makes the i8 the first BMW hybrid super sport car featuring an all-wheel drive system with a total power output of 357 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy combining both electricity and gasoline engine will be rated at 76 mpge. For gasoline engine only, it is rated at 28 miles per gallon. Charge time for this vehicle will require a 2-hour if charged with a 240-volt power outlet. The two front wheels are powered by the electric motor with 2-speed automatic transmission, and rear wheels are powered by the 6-speed rear automatic transmission with brake energy recuperation system. The front ends look very futuristic, but most important of all, the front lighting is what catches the attention of oncoming motorists. The BMW i8 features full LED headlights and LED accent light with BMW IU-shaped LED daytime running light, which is very unique. At the bottom is the aerodynamic front bumper with the large imposing air intake. And here's the iconic double black kidney grille separated by the front camera with shiny solid black in the middle, accent by BMW i blue outer trims. The hood is made of lightweight aluminum material with the black hood air extractor for air to pass through. Park assists are also built into the front bumper. 20 inches BMW i light alloy wheels with two 15/45 tires. Behind the wheel is the set of high performance, lightweight, 4-wheel cross-drill ventilated brake discs with anti-lock braking system, dynamic brake control, as well as cornering brake control. Thermoplastic are used to make up the front fenders as well as the front and rear bumper. Charging cap is located on the front driver's side. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light, and the camera located under the side view mirror as well. And here's a look at the roof. It is made up of carbon fiber reinforced plastic roof with UV protections and tinted clear vision coating. Side skirt. And the door handle is located behind the front door. Very nice aerodynamic styling. Rear wheels are also 20 inches and come staggered in width with 245/40 tires. And there's the rear cornering light. To the back, you see the unique and stylish rear end, accentuated with the U-shaped LED tail light to match with the front U-shaped LED daytime running light. LED turn signal lights are integrated into the upper rear panel. Blue accenting trims for the back as well. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. And there's the rear view camera, located right above the license plate. Rear deck spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Alright, looking at the back glass panel, there's two vents located side by side. Very aggressive. Alright, so this is a sold unit and it is waiting for its owner to pick it up. So I won't be able to go into details of the interior. I'm just going to film it from outside so you guys have an idea of how it looks. There's the 3-spoke design steering wheel. As you can see, the interior is very futuristic as well. Perforated sports seat. And as you can see, it does offer seating for 4 passengers. There's the iDrive control. The large multimedia screen. Alright, with the blue seat belt to match with the iBlue accent trims. i8 embossed on the headrest. Very nice looking sport seat. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2014 BMW i8. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.